Hey guys, all right. Let's do a recap of today and also look at what we're going to be looking for in the morning to see what type of opportunities that we would have. So, as you see, today was a nice up day. We continued the rally up and to the point that we actually just changed the trend. So we haven't had an uptrend since, ooh, that was what? That was like June 7th. So June 7th, and but that was short-lived. It was one day really, and then we just fell right back into a downtrend. So let's see what happens. So what I expect to happen is that we'll go up a little, and then we'll come and kind of test the bottom of the trend line. So we'll come somewhere down here, and then I think that we'll continue up. So we'll do that pop up, roll back a little bit, and then continue up. So that's what I'm looking for. And um, if it does not get the buying power to kind of continue, then yeah, we may roll over and come test these lows. And again, as I keep on saying, this is my buy zone, and every time we get into the buy zone, I will be a buyer. And so let's see what happens. Uh, let's see what happens tomorrow. But I really like what happened this week. At the beginning of the week, I told you guys I was expecting the opportunity to come, and boy, did it. And then so we capitalized on it, did well. Now let's see what type of staying power we have in regards to this rally that we're seeing. Let's see if it continues, but all indication is that it should continue. But we should see. Don't be surprised if you get a little bit of a pullback before it takes off again. Ideally, I would love for it to come and test this low before it goes up, but I think that it'll stay within that area. So it's either going to go here and then back down here and take off, or it's going to turn over, test, stay for a little bit, and then go back, test the lows, and then come back up. So let's see what happens. But right now, we definitely did a good job by purchasing down here, and now let's see how long we could ride it. But remember, what we care about are the fact that we are collecting our reflections and our BNB rewards. But we always look at a good price point to purchase more because we want to extend our buying power. If you look down here, we were getting a lot of tokens for our BNB, so it gets to be a little less the further up we go. So let's see what happens. But tomorrow morning, I will look at it and see, what happened overnight. See if we came back to test the support down here, and or did we continue on and we'll figure out the next move. What I do not like to buy or chase the market. I like to wait for a pullback. So right now we've been going up for a little bit. So let's see how far up we go, and let's see where the first pullback comes in and see if that comes to a nice support area where we'd be able to purchase some more. But because I saw the market coming down so fast, I did accelerate my weekly 1 BNB contribution to purchasing the token. We actually did two purchases this week because of the great pricing that we saw. So we're pretty much good for at least next week as well. So the only way I'd get back in or put more into it, besides the daily BNB rewards, is if we had a major pullback. Then I would look to see if we could add a couple BNB more to our positions. But overall, I like what's going on right now. And so those of you guys that have been following and are taking advantage of it, now what we do is now that we got in, we enjoy the ride up and look for the next buying opportunity. And that's the name of the game. You have to understand when the opportunity is right for you to get in. So a lot of people that are complaining is that they get in at the wrong time and then they don't know what to do. But when you look at it, we are towards the bottom, buy low, sell high, right? But we are not in this to sell, and so this is great. And so let's continue this. And then what I'll start to do is now that we are about to go into an uptrend, we need to confirm that uptrend. And the way we confirm that uptrend is when we come and test the support that used to be resistant, and then if once that shows that it's truly support now, and then we reflect off of it, then we could say we're in a truly uptrend. So let's look for that. I am excited at what I'm seeing, and so you should be too. So please don't forget to like and subscribe because I have a lot of good stuff for us in terms of how we could continue to build wealth in this next phase as we go, as we watch the market go up. So thank you guys, and tomorrow morning I will look to do a video and let you guys know what I see based on the overnight action. Thank you.